supervisor. Ma'am, they are now ready for your recommendation for confirmation.
After careful review of the school records of Poblacion Dos Elementary School, you have 30, total of 30 candidates for graduation, and 5 coming from Eliseo G. Alipao Elementary School, with a total of 5 candidates for graduation for school year 2023-2024 to be in order and complete. I, Juby M. Reyes, as the District Supervisor of RTR District, it is my distinct honor and privilege to recommend for their confirmation to our Schools Division Superintendent, Jenny L. Matibo, CESO 5, and be represented by our Educational Program Specialist, Ma'am Noel G. Sweet, Noel G. Antigua Arcetti. Ma'am, we are now ready for your confirmation.
After having been presented by the two school heads, one from Poblacion Dos and Eliseo G. Alipao Elementary Schools, that these 35 in total candidates for graduation have satisfactorily completed all the basic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 curriculum by virtue of the authority vested in me as the authorized representative of our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Jenny L. Mativo. I do hereby